Good morning, everyone. So now we are going to learn how to make a Google form with the mathematics equations in easiest way. Just recently I did. Go to your Gmail ID here. So I'm going to show it to you. So now go to your Gmail ID and click on these three dots, and here you will find the Google form. Yes, just like this. Open that Google form. And blank quiz. Suppose better you choose it as a quiz. So blank quiz you can select the blank quiz, and it opens, and you can rename this one here as a, suppose if you are conducting for the class 12th, just like class 12 chapter 4 determinants, like that, whatever the details you need, you fill up it. And this is a question here, and this question, first question, usually name of the student and the class and other details, and here you select the short answer. And this is a required, means it is mandatory. If you name of the student is mandatory, so that's why name of the student, and here the students will give the name. And then after, to go for the new question, this one you select. Then after, suppose if you want mathematics questions, 20 questions paper, let us make it and name it as here. Whenever you go for that multiple choice questions, if you are preparing, and select an option here A. So when you go for the automatically add all, there will be a options A, B, C, D options, add all will be, you are going to get, and you can select it as a capital A. Question, one question is prepared, and question we are not selecting here now. So now like this question number 1. Second question, if you want here, duplicate, same options will be same for all. So make it as a duplicate, one more question, and one more time, one more question, and you name this as a, here, this question number 1, this is question number 1, this is question number 2, and this is question number 3. Now it's a turn to insert the questions along with the options. So if you are having a already well prepared objective bits, maybe you may have with you. So that PDF file, if you are having, open the PDF file. I'm opening my PDF file. So this is example of problems I have taken for the class 9th. It is there. So whatever it may be, the PDF if you are having, and open the PDF and go to the edit, take a snapshot and select the question without a question number, because you are already given the question number there. So I'm selecting this question along with the options like this. Take a snapshot. It will take a snapshot. Then after, open a paint. In this paint, using the Control V, you paste that question. Question will be pasted, and rename this as a save as. In the desktop, I'm creating a new folder. Suppose I'm creating for the any other class, whatever it may be, the new folder. In this folder, this is a question number 1 for me. So question number 1, one number save. Then after, again you come to that PDF or new another PDF also. Go select the another question, second question. Select this one along with the options. It will be saved, and again open the paint and using the Control V, paste it, and it will be pasted on the paint automatically, and you enlarge it according to the size whatever you want. And again you save as, go to the save as, and this one you save as a number 2. Like this, how many questions you want, that many questions from the different PDFs also you can extract the questions, and you can make it as a in the paint as a images. You have to save it as a images. Now I have saved in the new folder like this here. This in this new folder, 1 and 2 questions already I have saved. Now let us come to our Google form. After coming to the Google form, already we have pasted along with the options here, and come to the question number 1. Here you are going to find the insert image option. So in this insert image option, insert image, select and go to the browse, and select the desktop new folder, whatever folder you are created, and question number 1, if you want question number 1. So already all the questions will be saved as images in this, and question number 1 you save. Then after it will be uploaded, see here it shows to you. So automatically you are going to get question number 1 along with the options. In these options can be selected from this. So little bit I found this is an easiest way for the students and teachers to make the Google form. Okay, thank you one and all.